We continue our list with the Smash Dragon. New developments in drone technology are occurring on a regular basis. For instance, the Smash Dragon suspension system allows drones to be equipped with a 40mm grenade launcher, an assault rifle, or a sniper rifle. With the help of unique detection and tracking algorithms and machine vision, its sophisticated stabilization technology guarantees accurate shots on moving targets. After passing live fire tests, the Smash Dragon system seems to be an innovative way to combat threats from the air, the ground, and the sea. At number 2, we have the SAR 127MT. The SAR 127MT machine gun has strong firepower and is made to fire NATO 12.7 by 99mm bullets. With a firing rate of 600 rounds per minute and a weight of 38 kg, it offers strong fire support. With an effective range of up to 1.8 km for long distance targeting, it can be installed on air, ground, and naval platforms. To keep firing continuously, its air-cooled barrel may be easily replaced. Ammunition may be loaded from the left or the right side for greater adaptability. And the SAR 127MT is completely compatible with a number of remote control systems. Next, let's now explore remotely operated turrets. Developers incorporate cutting-edge technologies like thermal imaging cameras and AI-powered algorithms into their calibers, which range from 5.56mm to 30mm. Even when using higher calibers, these turrets are built to reduce recoil and monitor armor. With AI algorithms that can differentiate people, cars, and drones, they are able to independently identify and track targets. Even with their sophisticated capabilities, soldiers can operate the turrets without feeling overwhelmed. With only 15 minutes of training, soldiers can attain sniper-level precision thanks to an intuitive, logical touchscreen interface. And number 4, we have the Sabot. With the evolution from entertainment devices to cutting-edge military tools, robot dogs are taking center stage. These devices are now being used for scouting, patrolling, guarding, and even fire support, demonstrating their practical usefulness. Consider the Sabot concept, which was created to support drone forces and uses advanced sensors to identify a variety of hazards, including radiation. With its 3D mapping and AI-powered algorithms, it can precisely navigate challenging environments. Its AS-109T submachine gun, which has an effective range of roughly 100 meters, can be used to attack enemies. This four-legged robot is pushing the limits of military technology and is expected to be available in 3 different sizes. And number 5, we have the Repcon RDS-40. The RDS-40 is a simple grenade launcher that prioritizes dependability and simplicity over artificial intelligence, neural networks, and machine vision. It may be installed on naval, ground, and aircraft vehicles, including the unmanned all-terrain vehicle Baran, and weighs only 35 kg with a 40mm caliber. When compared to similar weapons, the RDS-40 is commended for its user-friendly design and ability to shoot targets up to 2 km range. The RDS-40 AGL variant can fire up to 375 rounds per minute and is compatible with all NATO 40x35mm ammunition. At number 6, you have the CRAM. The CRAM system is intended to defend ships against threats that are both supersonic and subsonic, such as drones, helicopters, and cruise missiles. It can even locate underwater targets and use one of its 11 in-house missiles to destroy them. CRAM's sophisticated components enable it to function independently and manage several threats at once. It can also be combined with other ships' weaponry to improve defense in high-risk locations. Although its precise range is unknown, estimates place it at about 9 km. At number 7, we have the Rogue One. The purpose of the kamikaze drone Rogue One is to destroy vehicles with minimal armor. It may be customized for particular objectives such as hitting structures or hostile individuals thanks to its replaceable warheads. Its distinctive explosive device with a mechanical safety mechanism which provides 2 important advantages is a noteworthy characteristic. In order to avoid needless loss, the drone can be recalled in the case that a strike is cancelled. Second, the ammunition is reusable for missions in the future. Its 30-minute flight time and top speed of 113 km per hour more than makes up for its non-record breaking range of over 10 km. Because of its small size, a foot soldier may use it with ease. At number 8 we have the crab. Picture a $1.4 million crab, but this one isn't from the ocean. Rather, it is the product of Polish engineering prowess. Introducing the 155mm self-propelled howitzer, the AHS crab. It can move in 30 seconds and fire within a minute of arriving at a target. With an effective range of 30 km and a firing rate of 6 rounds per minute, it is operated by a 5-person crew. It has smoke grenade launchers and a 12.7mm machine gun for close-range defense, guaranteeing its adaptability on the battlefield. At number 9 we have the Spike Nilos. The operator does not even need to be in direct line of sight of the target when using the Spike Nilos ATGM. Just aim the missile in the proper direction and the computerized system will take over, handling external targeting and guidance. With the help of this sophisticated system, missiles can hit targets up to 50 km away when fired from the air and up to 32 km away when launched from the ground. Reloading takes only 15 seconds, while launch preparation takes only 30 seconds. The Spike Nilos is quite efficient against infantry and surface targets in addition to tanks. A variety of possible warheads, including high explosive anti-tank alternatives, contribute to its adaptability. At number 10 we have the Baobab K. The Bozena Bow MK takes around 20 minutes to put up a minefield that is 2 km long. Considering that it only needs a crew of 2, that's very amazing. The Bow MK can lay mines at a rate of 20 km per hour when speed is crucial. Its ability to spread mines up to 90 meters away from the vehicle is even more amazing. Depending on the speed of the vehicle, an inbuilt computer regulates the dispersal process on its own. The system is a powerful tool on the battlefield since it uses MN123 mines which can penetrate steel armor up to 60 mm. At number 11 we have the Nora B-52. Another noteworthy example of a 155mm self-propelled howitzer is the Nora B-52. Depending on the customer's request, it can be installed on a variety of truck chassis including the MAN TGS and Kamaz 6560. It is made in Serbia, and because of its design, it can move at up to 100 km per hour on highways and yet get over tiny water impediments. Within 90 seconds of arriving at its objective, the Nora B-52 switches from travel to combat mode. It has a maximum range of 41 km and fires 4 rounds per minute. It stands out as a very powerful artillery system since nations like Cyprus and Myanmar have already included it in their weaponry. At number 12 of the Bofors. Why is the USS Montegri, a US national littoral combat ship equipped with a Swedish-designed Bofors S-57 naval artillery system? For good reason, the United States, Finland, Canada, and a number of other countries have acknowledged its work. This device, which uses a 57mm caliber and computer-controlled targeting, provides strong firepower. It can fire up to 220 rounds per minute, depending on the variant. With high explosive anti-tank ammunition, it has an effective range of around 8.5 km and a strong barrel that lasts for about 4,000 rounds. And number 13 we have the Lati L-39. Let's go back in time to the late 1930s and early 1940s and examine the Finnish anti-tank rifle known as the Lati L-39. Its design immediately catches the eye, particularly its ammunition. The standard version had remarkable armor-piercing capabilities for its period because it was designed to fire German 20mm rounds that were initially meant for anti-aircraft guns. For a distance of 100 meters, a shooter could breach the armor of Soviet light tanks such as the T-26 and BT-5 with the Lati L-39. The rifle found new uses in dismantling field fortifications and even attacking aircrafts as tanks become more durable. However, its heavy 53 kg weight made it difficult to move on the battlefield, and the strong recoil may injure the shoulder. At number 14 we have the GAU-8. Historically regarded as one of the most lethal 30mm machine cannons ever constructed, the GAU-8 Avenger is an impressive weapon. There is even a common misconception about it. According to some, the GAU-8's recoil is strong that an A-10 Thunderbolt II attack plane could be stopped in mid-air by the protracted burst. Experts in engineering and physics, however, have refuted this. Although the recoil is visible, it is not a serious problem because it only accounts for little more than half of the thrust produced by the A-10's engine. The GAU-8 specifications include 7 barrels that can fire up to 3,900 rounds per minute. The suggested burst, however, is far shorter, roughly 150 rounds. It is a destructive weapon against armored targets because of its 1.2 km effective firing range. At number 15 and last one on the list, we have the 84 CSER. The 84 CSER, a shoulder-fired one-time use anti-tank grenade launcher, completes our list. It can pierce up to 460 mm of armor, weighs less than 9 kg, and is effective at a range of 600 meters. The 84 CS can be used against bunkers and other defensive structures in addition to tanks. It has an incorporated red dot sights and an extra mounting mechanism for improved aim, just as the majority of 84 family models. The 84 grenade launchers were first created in Sweden, but they have since become well known and are in use in several nations, including China and the United States. That concludes it. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next one.